In this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching or even crashing on Steam using a few simple steps. Follow along and try each fix one by one. First, open Steam, go to your library, find your game in the list. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process will be the same for any game. Right click on the game, select Properties, stay in the General tab, look for Launch Options, click inside the box, and type -DX11. You can also try -D3D11. If DX11 does not work, close the properties window and start the game to see if it launches without crashing. If the game still crashes, go back to the Steam library and right click on the game yet again, open properties, switch to install files tab, click on verify integrity of game files. Steam will now scan the game files and download anything that is missing or broken. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game again. If the issue continues, close Steam. Now, open the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or the AMD Adrenalin app if you use an AMD GPU. Check for driver updates and install the latest version available. Restart your PC after the update is done. Next, disable in-game overlays in the NVIDIA app. Turn off in-game overlay option. If you use Discord, open Discord settings, go to the overlay and turn it off. It is most likely the same settings here on the NVIDIA app. Overlays can cause crashes in some games. If none of this works, the last step is to uninstall the game from Steam. Restart your PC, then reinstall the game and try launching it again. This usually fixes any remaining issues caused by corrupted files. If this video helped you fix your game, please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.